Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Just to let you know that I purchased mine from Clifton Cameras. They got it out to me super quick, very nicely packaged. I can highly recommend them. I use them for pretty much all of my photography and video requirements, and you can find a link to their website down in the video description. So this is a handheld gimbal camera. It captures UHD 4K footage. It's got a wide angle lens, also a DJI Mic 2 transmitter in the box, and a battery handle extension. That's because this is the Creator Combo, so you get some extra bits and pieces inside the box. If we take a look on the back of the box, it's got the main features. So it's 1-inch CMOS sensor. Now I mentioned 4K video. It will actually record in 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and all the way up to 120 frames per second. We've got a 2-inch rotatable screen with orientation control, so you can flip it from sort of horizontal to vertical position. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal for video stabilization, active track 6, full pixel fast focusing, D-Log M and 10-bit video recording, stereo audio recording, and it is pocket sized as well. These are all of the accessories included inside the box, but I think we need to just take a look and show you exactly what we get in this Creator Combo. So there's a little pull tab here, and we can open this up for the first time. So as you can see inside that main box, we've got this little package here, which feels like it's got most of the components in. We also get some paperwork, so we've got a quick start guide. We've also got a shortcut or a QR code to the Lightcut global app. We've also got some extra regulatory information and some safety guidelines. And then inside this separate bag, we have got the storage case. So this is like, not the carry case for the camera and all of the accessories, but this is the actual protective cover, they call it. So we get a little piece in here, and then this is where you're going to put your camera to protect it, basically. And inside, you'll notice there are some very useful extra sort of compartments. We've got a compartment here to store the wide angle lens, and we've also got a little extra piece here where we can snap into place the Black Pro Mist filter, which is an optional purchase. With the Creator Combo, you get the wide angle lens included. And then this top section, I'm pretty sure that you can clip the wireless mic transmitter on there as well. But this is a nice little sort of protective cover for your Osmo Pocket 3. So let's take a look inside this main bag now. So this is a really nice carry case. I really do like this. It feels top quality. Bit of DJI branding. Got a little loop there as well. Nice strong zipper. And this is going to accommodate everything you get in the Creator Combo. So let's start by taking a look in this middle section. So this is the additional battery grip. Very, very nice. So this is going to give you, I think it's around about 60% extra battery life between charges on the camera. USB-C charging just there, and then we've got a threaded mount on the bottom, so we can attach a tripod to that. That's really nice. I like that a lot. And then we've got this little mini extension. So this hasn't got a battery in. This just gives you a USB-C on here, and then again a threaded mount on the bottom. So this is just allowing you to attach this to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and in turn you can put a little mini tripod on. So the difference between these, this is just a little tiny extension with the threaded mount on. This has a battery in it and the threaded mount on. So this extends the battery life, this doesn't. So this is very, very cool. Inside the Creator Combo, we have got a wireless transmitter. Very, very cool. So this has got a built-in microphone. We can also put a lapel mic on here as well if we wanted to. But the actual mic capsule is underneath this piece here. We've got USB-C on the side for charging, little tiny record button, a link button and a power button, and a little clip. So we can clip this to our shirt collar, for example. Really nice design. You can see the circuitry and the chips inside this. So this is going to allow you to wirelessly record from the mic and transmit that to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is still inside the bag. So we've got plenty of accessories in here. So let's have a look in this side. Got a little tiny furry windsock or wind muff. Whoop, it is a slippery one. This is to stop the wind noise when you're recording outside. And then we've got a little wrist strap as well. This is the wide angle lens adapter. So it's going to give you just a little bit of a wider field of view when you're recording. It magnetically adheres to the front of the camera, and then of course, as I showed you earlier, when it's not in use you can store it inside this case, and it just magnetically adheres inside there for safekeeping as well. We've also got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This is the little mini tripod that is included. Very, very neat little thread on the top here, and this just allows you not only to perhaps use this as a little extension handle, but also to very easily place this on a table so that you can record yourself. Very, very nicely done. And then last but not least is the camera on the gimbal itself. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can see here we've got a protective cover on the screen, which we will remove, and a nice large screen here as well. We've also got a joystick and a record button. We've got a charging port on the bottom. This is USB-C. The side profile looks like that. And on this side it just says Pocket 3. That's where the micro SD card memory slot is. Nice grip on the front. Feels very, very nice in the hand. Really very, very impressed. And you'll see that when it's turned off, the lens is protected because it's rotated round into this position here. And I think you turn this on by rotating the screen. It's come on already, it says English. So we can also tap to check battery level. So if we tap on there, it tells us we've got 53% battery left. And then we're ready to go. It's actually pointing upwards at the moment, so you can just about see me in the camera there. So you can currently see it's facing downwards, so it's showing the desk here, and I can of course rotate the gimbal round. I can do all sorts of different effects. I can rotate it to front face to show me in the camera as well. This is very, very cool. And then of course, if we rotate the screen round, we can go into vertical mode. So now for social media, we are capturing video in vertical format. This is such a cool little camera. I'm very, very impressed with it. So this was purely my unboxing and first look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm super impressed so far, and I can't wait to test this out. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a video test with this camera, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.